Too many businesses waste valuable time when allocating employees and resources to solve all their everyday tasks. Optimizing the process of allocating the most expensive assets within your organization would allow you to spend more time on executing activities which directly contribute to the bottom line. OnTime Group Calendar helps solve this problem in a fast, smart, and effective way, especially compared to how it's done in today's email solutions. What is OnTime? Simply put, OnTime is a group calendar. But more than that, OnTime Group Calendar is an easy way for your organization to save time. OnTime is available either as a perpetual license or as a subscription that supports Domino, Cloud, Office 365, and Exchange, either individually or as a combination of several of the email platforms. The group calendar can be accessed through different platforms, including from Notes, a web browser, in Connections, and on mobile. OnTime comes in different flavors with different access levels for the user. There is the full OnTime Group Calendar user who can see the calendar details and use all the smart features and functions. And then there is the universal free time user, which shows you a simpler version of the group calendar with people's calendar entries blocked. Universal free time allows your organization to share free time with selected people or groups. And further than seeing it as a simpler OnTime Group Calendar, it can also be used as an integrated part of your standard calendar in Notes, Verse, and iNotes. More than that, you can custom build OnTime with the different add-ons, which includes creating polls with OnTime Polarity, order refreshments with OnTime Catering, and integrating your business solutions with your calendar platform with the Open API. So, to conclude, OnTime makes your organization more flexible, effective, and competitive, while also saving you both time and money.